This is what I'll be cooking on the carnivore diet for this one whole week. I got 2 pounds of grass-fed ground beef. I got 1 pork loin and a set of pork chops from a grass-fed pig from a local farmer. And then I have 2 packages of venison round steak. These are from, I harvested 2 deers this year, and these are fresh, probably a couple months old. So that's what I'll be cooking this week. Stay tuned, I'll show you what I'm gonna do with it all. Last night I decided I'm gonna marinate my venison and my pork. Let's throw it on the pit. All right, so I got the venison steaks. This is the pork loin. These are the pork chops, and the rest are venison steaks. I just tossed them on the pit. The pork I'll take to 165, and then the steaks I'll probably pull at 140. Stay tuned. It's been about 6-7 minutes. I'm grilling at 350 tonight. Venison steaks, these will cook pretty quick. They look pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a flip. That one's a little crispy. We're gonna change locations on that. Learning all the hot spots on your grill, pellet grill, etc., whatever. Takes some time. Pork's looking good. We'll give this pork roast a flip. Put that one there. That's our first flip. Alright, so the venison steaks are done. Let's see if I grab 2 at a time. Whew, those look good. Nice juicy venison round steaks. Those are done. Stay tuned for the pork. Here's the venison steak all done. All right, let's dig into this and try it. I'm gonna cut a real quick piece of this venison steak and see how it came out. So tender. So tender. I ain't mad at that at all. We're still waiting on the pork, so stay tuned. So here's the pork tenderloin I just pulled off. Sorry about the messy cutting board, but that's where I just cut the venison steak on. Nice, juicy looking. It was 165, 166 degrees. Let's cut a chunk off and give it a try. All right, so I have the pork tenderloin right in front of me. I'm gonna cut off a piece. Let's give it a try. Perfect done. Pork, you wanna make sure it's at 165. So good, juicy. It's got a nice smoked, tangy. I marinated in like an olive oil, red wine vinegar, garlic. So good, so good. I'll take one more bite. So good. I can literally eat grilled meats every day. If you guys like what you're watching, if you have any insight or in something I can improve my videos with, let me know. Give a like, give a comment. Please subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you guys back soon.